My first ever market vlog. If you be shine baby, no put body at all. I'm not a market type because I have people that always help me in buying things, but on this day I said no, let me try it for the first time, and I really enjoyed it. You guys are really trying. All these my big content creators that goes to the market, film themselves very well. Not the shame. Hey, I was so shy. I was even hiding my phone so people will not notice. So let's buy this ube with me. As I was buying this ube, this woman snail fair, she said I should help her to pick it up. So I did that. Then I paid for the ube and I went to price this snail. In fact, I have to run. That one a big man food. So this is me pricing crayfish. I bought the half Congo. We use Congo in my location. I bought half Congo. I paid. It was 2.5. So this me bringing that money. I was just watching it to make sure, madam, full it very well, full it very well. She said, she will full it now. So they are tying it for me. At this point, I saw they're also selling dry fish. I said, let me patronize them again. I priced this dry fish. These 3 pieces of dry fish is 2,000 naira each, and I bought the one for 4,000 naira. You see, sometimes when you send people to buy things for you, you think they are cheating you. Just go by yourself. You see that they even price it more than you. So this is the 2 bunches I bought for 4,000. I'll just try not to record their faces. You see, it's not easy. So after that, I saw this my customer that is selling snail. She was even calling me, "Mommy, favor, come and buy from me. Now I used to buy something from your hand." I said, "I not planned this, so but how much are you going to sell it for me?" She said she's going to sell it 4,000. I said, "Wow, I can actually pick this from my backyard." So I said later, I don't know how much I price. I think I priced it 2.5, and she sold this for me because she's my customer. So this is me paying for it. I just bought this snail because she's my good customer. We even used to play. So this is me buying the banga I used this Sunday. After buying the banga, this is me going back to my shop. On my way going, I was looking for where I'll buy plantain. So I finally found it, and it is my customer. I have to patronize her as well. There is this boy that normally bring plantain to me in the shop. I think the boy is cheating me. So that's all for the market vlog. So this is me at home, unboxing what I bought, putting them in order. So this is the snail. Up to now, I've not even used the snail. So this is the crayfish. Let me just put it inside this empty container that I've not been using for long. This is the fish. The crayfish is 2.5. This fish is 4,000 naira. So I just want to calculate to know how much I spent. So this is the banga fruit. This fruit now is 2,400. So this granite is just for Mama Oyoyo. So it is 1,000 naira. This is okpaka that I bought. This is pepper. This pepper is 500 naira. So this is everything that I bought from the market. Bye.